Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name's Richard, and in this video we're going to do a cockpit tour of the Cirrusjet SF50. And to start with, this is a view, what I call from the jump seat. It's the middle seat in the back, and so here's all the seats in the back. And so we're going to take a tour of the cockpit. You can see up here where we've got oxygen mask for the pilot and co-pilot and other controls at the top here. You've got a door that you can open. Okay, we'll open the door. Say hello, everybody. Jump out if you want now, otherwise you're trapped in here for a while. Okay, so what I now want to show you is I want to cycle through all the views that I have. This is my normal view for flying around. Looking forward, mostly seeing the primary flight display. But let's start with the left side, and this is a view out the back portal on the left. 90 degrees to the left, 45 degrees to the left. A front view, a 45 to the right, 90 to the right. A 135 degrees or back view to the right, and sometimes you want to see both the primary flight display and the multifunction display. And this is the joystick that the pilot uses and where you would start the engine. And here is the system panel and the autopilot panel, and there's the entire lower panel, including the fuel controls, trim wheels, and flaps, and all that stuff. Okay, also for views on the left hat switch, we got a that's my normal, I said takeoff or normal flying view. There is my close-up of the primary flight display, close-up of the secondary flight display, a view of the entire panel. And on the rocker switch to the right, 10 and 11, you've got a chase view, and this is my takeoff view, so I can see out better but still see the necessary instruments. And we have a HUD view. Sometimes I use the HUD view a lot. On that, you'll see that in future videos. Okay, so that's a tour of the cockpit. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.